Hi everyone, hope all of you are doing great. So do you know which is the number one programming language that you can learn today as a data engineer or even data analyst? It's not Python, it's not Scala, it's not Rust, it's not Go, it's SQL. So today companies are more interested on candidate who know SQL in and out. And this is coming from my own personal experiences. So here in my channel I would start a series where we would learn together all the advanced concepts of SQL Server, and from today the first video would be on how to set up your learning environment. So for that I would be using our Windows system because SSMS or SQL Server Management Studio is as of now only available in Windows. So there are some other ways of doing it in Mac systems, but that is for some other video. So let's start. The first step would be to download our SQL Server and then download SSMS so that we can integrate the SSMS to access our SQL Server that we will be setting up. So let's jump into this. So this is the SQL Server download page, and if you come down you will see developer and express version. I would for now download the developer version. Okay, I will save it. The installation is pretty much straightforward, but let's do it right away. I will now show you the download screen. So installations, I am just keeping it as type as basic. Accept it. Okay, I am not installing in my C drive. Let me install in some other drive. Okay, so let me install it my hard drive, and okay, I created a SQL Server folder and I am installing it there. Hopefully the installation will be successful. Okay, so my download was successful and right now I am installing. So now my installation is successful and it has given me the connection string and all the other details. So let me just see that my connection string somewhere in a notepad, which I would use to connect to my server. Okay, so this is my local host. Like I would be installing SSMS in the same laptop, so obviously it will be a local host. So now I would be installing the SSMS, which is the interface or the IDE to connect to the server and do my development stuff. Okay, so I would now download SSMS. Okay, it will take around 2 minutes. Pausing the recording for now. So now my SSMS has been installed. I mean the setup application file has got downloaded. I need to install it though. So I'm just starting the installation for SSMS. It should be pretty much straightforward. It's asking for a restart. So getting back after my computer getting restarted, Okay, so now my SSMS got installed, and I need to connect to my server from this SSMS interface. So let's do it. I will just connect to my database engine, and here you see the server name has already come up, which is a default server name, and I just need to trust the server certificate. Since I am doing it locally, I'm trusting this, and I'm just trying to connect it. Okay, yeah, I have now got connected. As you now see that there are only the default databases. I don't have database of my own where I want to do my development task. You can create that by following any create database command. So yes, that's the way you should install first the SQL Server in your local laptop, and then SSMS on the preferred IDE to connect to the server, and you can do all your practice and learning of SQL. With that, I would stop this video. Hope you liked it, and if you have liked it, just subscribe to this channel. That will be a great encouragement for me to create some more videos. Thank you. Bye.